Game? Kayo, game na.
Yo, when the beat drops, yo, when the beat drops, yo, when the beat drops, yo, when the beat. Yo, when the beat drops, free walking. Haters on my, y'all gonna keep talking. We gon' keep marching to the best on it. Well, y'all better be ready once we marching. I'm on the road to success, and it's a bad way. Halfway through it, on top. I'm never halfway. Rock the beat steady, yo, what are they asking? Stay true, do it, don't lie. Look at what I say. When I be gunning through the track, running some assault, lyrically springing that back, man. Don't hear that coming and think it's crazy. You can't get rid of the line, but try to trick me like a basket. The way I can let I put on a show, can stop the flow. Murder at every track to show that there is a assassin. Yo, we roll no passing. Living with passion, we can't laugh with passion. Ain't no half-ass, ain't no limited subtraction. Tacky so plastic, but while these feel assassin. How you react? It's imaginary flashback to keep a flashing. Yo, when the beat drops, it's free walking. Haters on my, y'all can keep talking. We gon' keep marching, keep the best on it. Well, y'all better be ready once we marching. Palakpakan naman dyan! Ano, Joe? Joe? Game.
Pero ba dito, Amaranians, mga fans ni Joe? Amara Romansa. Danan. So, sa mga pinakamagaling dito, Pinas sa mga pinakamagaling na mga manager. Yo! Sobrang taba ng utak ko, kaya pagkalaki ng ulo, pumatay ang bawat bala parang atake sa tubo. Wala ko lang sa parang atake sa tubo. Nasa ka, hindi na kayang saksakin ang luto. Wala na pa, di kumakabot ng tigre. Di kumakabot ng tigre. Di kumakabot ng tigre. Sumunod ng mga bandigong maawon ang wheelchair. At kapag narinig ka mo, hindi ito kaya na makaranilang tao. Huwag ka na makikitalo. At bakit di ba dahil na puro kasakta? So, at bakit di ba iwan? Mga nagriba, puro na to at dito lang. Tawag sa effect, mga tropa ko at dito lang. Huwag na magtatanong ko, totoo ba to? At hindi ko kinabukasan ng rap. Oo, ako, simbolo. First off the night, this is Hi!
Alam nyo nga pala yung bagong shirt, Mr. Darin Shirts, para kay Alex.
Mr. Dream shirt.
Available.
At ang ibang t-shirt.
Ito yung table namin, John.
Yung po yung table namin sa may bidon doon.
Saka nyo yung mixtape
Tumbulin
video.
kayong freedom. At ang ibang saka dito rin yung mga tropa. Simple swag. Good vibes. Dito rin. Elevate. Team Abro. Yun o. Kasi natin.
Pero secret service talaga eh. Secret service. Oy, George, bumenta ka.
Yun o. Oh, si Miles. Palapakan natin si Miles. Game produced by DJ Spin. DJ Spin. Facebook.com/Searching the Radio. Follow me on Twitter at AbroVisual. Let's go!
Yo, kids, don't get me wrong, this ain't literal at all. Just a lyric leader and poet who doesn't know it all, yeah. But I never forget, and I never forfeit. I try to hit them off, I be locked up on the target. Far-fetched, so I'll never download. Here's a new free, so make sure you hit the download. I be shooting rounds, yo, better channel round homes. No DVD, no video, and no little sound. So I'm so heavy with these bars, I've been paid mine, that's why my name is in these charts. These are moments, no one has to wait for me to restart. We are here to own it, fill up, and that's what it is. Yo, y'all, the future, I'm proud of it, and bold. I hold it down on solid ground, my people, you already know. Know that I ain't giving up, that ain't because that we are free. Until they know you forget that I represent you and me. LDP, every time I touch the mind, to express how I feel inside. If you don't know my name, you're my homie, it's about time. Ever got you a name that doesn't you up the cloud. High time that you recognize when it's hidden. It ain't a way every time, and I ain't kidding. RJ, and so you forget it, man, it's mine. It's just triple 11, man, y'all better know that I'm here. I'm pushing time on your better one pressure, y'all know I feel it. My feelings go over drilling. My ladies, I'm over you're chilling. But still we never stop and keep rocking until the dreams are reached. Until hip-hop will be confident soon and so we preach. We build it, cause the community's alive. We aspire to inspire, but we never go retire. Keep the fire burning high, yo, the passion never ends. Keep it moving, never losing, rep I highly recommend. Go and do what you love, so you love what you do. Go alive, on the movement, that's why I keep it moving. Every time